Meghalaya ahoy kedo Karbiara ratum ahoy kacarai kom japan sai kedeng. Dogmoka ahithia longta dowai alang ki apensi kapang hirasai dengpok. Tarkong limjur LP school apan sorkar atum kelang pangkreve pusi akoy keklang. Karbi anglong life kelang aradon apan nilhin pen adap ki me kardom nampa jeriglo kardom. Nili birta thanang phi sami juli bepi nonar juik tha birtang ton pen. Meghalaya asor Karbi anglong arlo nangka padut long lede jiapan ahoy along kedo serang araratum thurpaksi towar karang kha sai kedeng. Jinthong MNC constituency kaparlo serang pu adimalong Meghalaya asoratum kaya mata Karbi anglong along le nangki be jiapan si bor ibom. Bangso ajo ahoy along kedo akarbi araratum ki amek ano ke jang thekthi kaya mata cherok toksi donang bomlo. Amek anole ke jangrong pulote aprana moi anta ke dam thujian sido. Ajar noy thi de thi reng te reng pu aning cherot khut pen chomang mate Meghalaya asora tuma phan ke khang jia phan pura aru ni phai inkoi arni adabapor serang rong isiara ratum chingrum si ahoy along an humri dam pen langpi henlo Karbi anglong ahoy lo pu ang thek chibi dam lo. Lapen non kang dang bom COVID-19 avur pen kachere akenang sorpu munthi damsi chomang atum Karbi anglong arlo nang kapalot un ide jia phanta tobar along theng piarong kapakrep anparta tobar kangkai paduponlo. News Desk report Karbi anglong live. Dogmoka Municipal Board Chairman Birenteron Japon Linse Corona ke so api kapaka jiaphan Dogmoka ahithi atok anumalom dowa elangkia basai kereng pon. Asamalom COVID-19 ke so ki unaphai kangdang boma por hotsi ke damtang aruni phai trainer cap arni Karbi anglong penta ke cheng sik prem tabang pu abang pu aphan COVID-19 ke so ang thek longpon lo. Karbi anglong pen ta inut COVID-19 ke so untang lo puang thek kelong pen diphu arong supialong municipal board atum pen prek jama dimalong doba yalang ki abasai kireng ason thotse aru ni phai inkoi arni dogmoka ahithialong ta atok anu adimalong dogmoka municipal board pen doba yalang ki padoponsi corona ke so api kapaka jia phan pangthir ponlo. Dogmoka Municipal Board Chairman Birenteron pen ke jalin bangso dobai alang ki abasai ke deng ahut raikom sai hi atumta cherap chetodon. Dogmoka pen semsing ingti Karbi anglong lai. Tangte non malomso dihina mo aphan birtang ton ponik sena. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelang, Diphu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Diphu, Karbi anglong. Where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. Dihinamo Abhi Puthot Birtar Juthu Iglonang. Diopani MSC constituency lapen Bokajan SSA angkang ningkan surikre sir kebra trokner kebra troksi aningkan pen kapangji langtuk kiling arong kido tarkong limjir LP school aphan KAAC sorkar kapanung pusi haladak araratum pherangkia thengnu nang pachini don kedamtang ningkan surikre sir kebra trokner kebra troksi aningkan pen non an ningkan thong kebra ge thom pleng tanglo Bonta tarkong limjur LP school ahem bang kaprek a school pen langdam pulote ko an ma ke langmi lapen alon ke donang jia bangke abedetlo bang so school along non bang trok sir kep sosi a osomaratum lo charli don bom lapen bang so school lake Deopani MSC constituency election hot vote ke jogadim polling station number trok sir kep rahinilo Bonta bangso school pinirani anta lo kachali osomaratum kangnia thai kawe penchenglo ing hap arpong kawe anparta hem asarnum kawe ajok lo kachali osomaratum tomon arwe apor hutke a ok jumhur har pensi lo chali nang bomlo halapu India Prime Minister lapen Assam Education Minister ratumki kaiketa lo charli toklang anathu RD hiponang ji pusi pin khatpon bomlo bonta tarkong limjur LP school ahema bangki non puta rikong bedwot kachingthang akaya hura sonsi dolan lasi kewang jilang arni KAAC CM tuliram ronghak lapen council along kangni kethe keding atum kedo anta tarkong limjir LP school kapami senje aphan jasemet school ahem kimi boundary wall prabjin pen piponang ji pusi haladak araratum kachuningri padopon lapen raratum kachuningri ateng KAAC asong japuatum RD nang pipi poputa ning cepat hipon rinti Bokajan pen ananterang Karbi Anglong lai Lakha incorrectly Deopani MSC constituency angkang pinangan adimalong non puanta Indira Ave Yojana ahemso nang patang pipedet pusi ratpen akoivan Deopani MSC constituency ke block hini atum pensi kaching thora sai lingpon bom Bokajan development block lapen Nilip development block hendo kedam tang ningkan surihini rakrener kepen surihini rakreser kep abaha scheme pen Deopani constituency along Pinangadim IAY ahemso pipon seta pinirani anta kapatang pipedera jok non anke alam klangham Nili block pen Lakhirang Singnararo lapen Bokajan block pen Majgaon Rongagora malong Panglum pen hum kepan bak IAY ahemso kikim patang pipedera lam ahem hu Donelswar Singnar Lama Dang Purnima Saho Naomi Batoli Jiten Horo Darsing Dang atumpen Karbi Anglong live apherang kialo nang pachini dum Alang litumpen nang kapachini do natengke block pen ke atangka pithailo lapen beng penta atangka endam edlo seta pinirani anta kapatang tidara jok rara tuma bangke kamang husi kedutulo Deopani MSC constituency arlokedo Karbi arong malom anke pinirani anta kating thoramu abi pin lang puta haladak arat pen ningji pon rinti Bokajan pen ananterang Karbi Anglong lai West Karbi Anglong Khironi Police Station along non hejong OCR pu kedengdam Anthony Rongpia phan song incorrectly societum Karbi apo hopen karchodam Emethang Karbi khai penta keton kelang hin sai phu ke manatum dobom tanglo Lahai ningka chethelapen ningkang sam chepaklangsi aru niphai inquiry song incorrectly society mate 24 plus organization pen non hejong Khironi Police Station along OCR pu kedengdam mi Anthony Rongpia phan Karbi apo hopen Karchopa dodamsi manpeng piponlo Karchoda mahut penang anapor ason kenang soralam heyu chingki chethanpo News Desk report Karbi Anglong live Pini Adap Abirta ke lapon sekang tonik lo, domi thakmi kurwang tu.